Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I'll teach you how to find the equation of a quadratic function from a graph. We'll consider two scenarios. The first scenario is to find the equation of a quadratic function from a graph when given 2 points, where one of the points is the vertex. The second scenario is where we're expected to find the equation of a quadratic function when given 3 points, where none of those points represent the vertex. Now, let's consider this scenario. In this graph, we'll be given 2 points. The first point is this, and the second point is this. This point is the vertex. In our previous video, we did say that a vertex divides a parabola into 2 equal parts. To find the equation of a quadratic function from this graph, we'll use the vertex form of a quadratic function. This is the vertex form of a quadratic function. Y equal a, in bracket we have x minus h squared plus k. Identify each of these terms in this graph. X is 6, y is 8, h is 3, while k is minus 1. Now let's substitute all this into our formula. We have y, we did say y value is 8, equal to a, open bracket, x, we did say x value is 6, minus h, our h value is 3, square, plus k, our k value is minus 1. So going forward, we have 8 equal a, 6 minus 3 gives 3 square, plus times minus 1 gives minus 1. 8 equal a, 3 square gives 9, minus 1. 8 equal 9 times a gives 9a minus 1. Collecting like terms here, we have 8. When minus 1 crosses the equal sign, it becomes plus 1 equal to 9a. 8 plus 1 gives 9 equal 9a. Therefore, a value will be equal to 9 divided by 9. Of course, 9 divided by 9 gives 1, so our a value is 1. Now, let's replace a with 1 in the vertex form equation, while x remains the same. So we have y equal to, we did say we'll replace a with 1, and then x, we also did say x remains the same, and then minus h, our h value is 3, square, k, our k value is minus 1. These values times 1 remains the same, and then minus 1. So this is the equation of quadratic function in vertex form. We can convert this equation to standard form. Converting this vertex form to standard form, we have y equal x minus 3 all square, means x minus 3 multiplied by x minus 3, and then minus 1, equal to x times x gives x squared, minus 3 times x minus 3x, minus 3 times x minus 3x, minus 3 times minus 3 gives positive 9, and then minus 1. So we have x squared minus 3x minus 3x gives minus 6x. 9 minus 1 gives 8. So this is the standard quadratic form. So we've been able to find the equation of these quadratic functions from this graph. Let's look at the second scenario, where we are asked to find the equation of quadratic function from this graph, having given 3 points. First point, second point, and the last point. Here, none of these points happens to be the vertex. Here, we use the standard form of a quadratic function since we don't know the vertex. This is the standard form of quadratic function. Here, we need 3 points to find the variables, that is a, b, and c. We may have to use the systems of equations. Here, we may have to identify the y-intercept when x is 0. Also identify x-intercept when y is 0. 2 is the y-intercept when x is 0, while minus 2 is the x-intercept when y is 0. Now, let's start with the y-intercept by replacing y in our equation with 2. So here we have 2 equal to a times x. We did say x is 0 square plus b times 0 and then plus c. So we have 2. A times 0 square gives 0 plus b times 0 gives 0 and then plus c. Therefore, our c value equal to 2. Now that we know the value of c, we need to figure out the value of a and b. Here, we need to use the second point. That is the x-intercept, where x is 2 and y is 0. Since we say y is 0, so in our equation, we replace y with 0 and x with minus 2. So we have y, we did say y is 0 equal a x, we did say x is minus 2, then square plus b times x, b minus 2, and then plus c, as c value is 2. So we have 0 equal a minus 2 square gives 4, minus 2 times b gives minus 2b, and then plus 2. Going forward, we have 0 equal 4 times a gives 4a, minus 2b plus 2. Dividing through by 2, we have 0 equal to 4 divided 2 gives 2, so here we have 2a minus 2 divided 2, we have 1, so we have minus b here, plus 2 divided 2 gives 1. So we have 0 equal to a minus b plus 1. Taking minus b to the left hand side becomes positive b equal to a plus 1. So b is equal to 2a plus 1. Let's call this equation 2. Now let's use the last point to get an equation of a and b, where s will be equal to y will be equal minus 12. So we have minus 12 being the value of y equal to a, x, we did say our x value is 2, then square, plus b, x, our x is 2, plus c, our c value is 2. So we have minus 12 equal to a, 2 square gives 4, plus, so we have minus 12 equal to 4 times a gives 4a, plus 2b plus 2. Now let's divide through by 2. Minus 12 divided by 2 gives minus 6 equal to 4 divided by 2 gives 2. So here we have 2a plus 2 divided by 2 gives 1. So here we have 1b plus 2 divided 2 gives 1. Collecting like terms, we have minus 6 here. When plus 1 moves to the right side, becomes minus 1 equal to 2a plus b. Minus 6 minus 1 gives minus 7 equal to 2a plus b. Making b the subject of the formula here, we have minus 7. When positive 2a crosses this equal sign, becomes minus 2a, and then equal to b. So here, our b is equal minus 7 minus 2a. So from the third point, b equal minus 7 minus 2a. So from point 2, this is b, while from point 3, this is b. Since both of these represent b, so we say equation 2 is equal equation 3. That is, equation 2 is 2a plus 1 equal to equation 3. That is minus 7 minus 2a. So collecting like terms from here, we have 2a. When minus 2a here crosses the equal sign, it becomes positive 2a equal to minus 7. When plus 1 crosses the equal sign here, becomes minus 1. Of course, 2a plus 2a gives 4a equal to minus 7 minus 1 gives minus 8. A value will be equal to minus 8 divided by 4. And minus 8 divided by 4 gives minus 2. So our a value is minus 2. Doing this. Now we've gotten the value of a and c. Let's also proceed to getting the value of b from equation 2. From equation 2, b is equal to 2a plus 1. So b equal 2 times a. A value, remember, we got minus 2, then plus 1. So b is equal to 2 times minus 2 gives minus 4 plus 1. Minus 4 plus 1 gives minus 3. So our b value is minus 3. Please, if you are getting value from this video and yet to subscribe to my channel, kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Remember, your comment is a pattern to us. Thank you. So we now have the value of a, b, and c. Now let's rewrite the equation in standard form. All we need is a, b, and c in the equation with these numbers. This is the standard quadratic function. Y equal a, with this our a value is minus 2, then x squared plus bx, our b value is minus 3x, then plus c, our c value is 2. Y equal minus 2x squared plus times minus 3x. We have minus 3x because plus times minus gives minus, and then plus 2. So this is how you can find the equation of quadratic function if you are given 3 points, where none of those points represents the vertex. I hope this video is clear enough. Please, if you really got value from this tutorial, do well to share this video with anyone who might find it useful. Also comment with any questions and topics you would want us to cover in future videos. Give this video a thumbs up, and if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Please stay tuned for the next video where I will teach you the sum and product of roots of quadratic equation. Thanks so much for watching. See you in our next video. Bye.